Hi there. Today I'll show you how you can add a scroll to top button in your store. So this is the app I will use to add the feature which will work without editing your theme. So let me copy the name. The name is insert code header and footer. So I'll search here. I'll search here with insert code and hit enter into the Shopify App Store, and then click on the app. This is the app. You can see the logo here or icon. I'm clicking on it, and let me click on the install button. Okay, let me click on the install again. Okay, the app is showing installed, and it is showing that it is not connected. So we'll need to click on the open theme editor. Okay, here the insert header and footer code app embed is automatically enabled, so we just need to click on the save button. Okay, since are saved, so let me go back to the app again. So you can see that all is done. The app is now connected to your theme. Let's click on the finish setup. Okay, the app is configured properly. So let me show you how you can embed the how you can enable the back to top button in your store. So let me click on the library. Okay, the library is the collection of ready-made snippets which you can use directly by clicking here. For example, I'm searching the back to top. Okay, here is it. I think this is the link. Yeah, back to top button. Here is the back to top button. So I'm clicking on the use snippet. So here is all the codes. So I'm clicking on the either I can copy the code, or also I can add to my snippet as well. So for quick action, I'm clicking on it. Okay, so all the codes are already here in the snippets. You can configure where you can okay, you can configure where to show the snippets. Right now it is selected on all pages, as well as you can target devices, and you can schedule the snippets when it will start or when it will end as well. So for our back scroll to top button, we don't need to configure these options. So all we need to do, one thing is, this is right now is inactive. Let me click on active button and save here. Okay, so now I will check my store if this is if there is back to top button is enabled. Okay, so here you can see that the back to top button is already enabled. If I scroll to the bottom, it is showing here. Clicking on it and it goes to top, and if I disable it, now it don't show anymore. Okay, let me activate it again. Okay, so here are a few things you can customize, which are like you can look at the edit. Here you can see the edit comment everywhere. Here is the edit comment, so you can customize these things. So let me show you one thing to customize. For example, you want to update the color, so I'm updating the color to red. Okay, here you can see that the color is updated. So you can update the color with your brand color, so it it aligns with your brand. So that's all the things you can that's all the thing you can configure here. You can edit the color as well. You can sense the bottom position, the distance from the bottom is, you can sense that here, as well as you can sense the value here for how far from bottom it will appear. So that's all for today. Thank you.